Hi guys, so we've got another episode with the Golf. This time we're working on the engine, which you can see behind me. So the reason we've taken it out is because the clutch has had some issues where it just does not feel right. And yeah, I've taken it out and had a look, and I'm going to show you what the clutch looks like. So there's the flywheel, there's a clutch and pressure plate. We'll look at the clutch and you can see it's got some terrible wear marks on it. Some uneven wearing going on there. It is only a cheap clutch, so but it still shouldn't do that. And then we get to the pressure plate, and can you see all them burn marks where it's been burning around the edge? And then we get to the flywheel, and the similar story is that. So that's not quite right. So I've gone to Crazy Quiffs and ordered a new clutch kit. I've gone for an ABF flywheel, and then the clutch is going to be a VR6, because come over to the gearbox and the gearbox is working all fine. See, it goes through all the gears, no weird noises. So that I'm going to leave. Obviously going to paint it and make it look tidy again. This engine mount is going to be changed for a different one, again from Crazy Quiffs, as well as this engine mount. And then we come over to the actual engine. The water pump has a leak, so we're going to be replacing that. At the moment the oil is being drained, and while that's being drained, I'm going to take the sump off, give it all a nice paint, make it all look pretty again, check any bits over, and then get it back in, and then put the new drive shafts on. So we'll do that, get the drive shafts on, but before we do all that, I'm going to show you me stripping it, get it all painted up, and then in a later video we will be putting it back in. So the first thing we're going to do is take off this lovely intake manifold made by Bog Brothers, just so we can get that off, and then we can paint up to there. And then we'll be taking the water pump off, the oil filter housing and the oil filter, and all these pipes, and then we'll be left with a fairly bare engine. I'll probably be taking and replacing the cam belt, even though it doesn't technically need it, but I'm going to do it anyway. So let's do that. So there we go, the engine is now stripped of what I need to strip off anyway. I've got a load of parts over here going off for Cerakoting. Most of that is going to go silver, and then I'm going to give this a good degreasing, get all the grease off. All this staining is from where I had a coolant leak, so I need to repaint it. I need to take that off actually, because I want that silver. And then give it a degrease, and then get it ready for paint. there we have it. It now has a coat of gloss black, and will you look how good that looks. I think it looks better than the matte. The matte is over here. I've done a test patch of gloss there, but I think it gives it a cleaner look, especially when I'm going to have matte silver essence on it, like a water pump and a few bits in here, and then the trumpet's obviously going to be chrome and the rocker cover is going to be chrome. So I think with that, with the gloss black, it looks perfect. Let me know what you guys thinking below, but I'm happy with that. Still got yet to do the gearbox, but that's going to be another day. These are going to still stay silver, but I'm going to get them cellar coated along with these. So these are all going to be cellar coated silver, including the sump. This is going to be redone in chrome. And then once that's all done and they're back, I can fill it all together with the new clutch, because that clutch has had it. And then hopefully once Prestige have done their bits with the welding, because I don't weld, in the engine bay, because the pedal box has got to be welded to the firewall, then we can put it back in. So yeah, again guys, thank you for watching this video. Next video would be me putting the new painted parts on the engine, and I can't wait to see what it looks like once it's all painted up. So until then, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.